In this video, I'll be going over Introduction to Ratios. Ratios are numbers indicated to present the comparison between two objects. In the first example, we want to find out the ratio of apples to bananas. What we would do is first count how many apples there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 apples. And bananas, we have 3. For ratios, we put the colon in between, and that is the answer, 5 to 3. Now, what about the second question? Ratio of fish to crabs. Again, counting the number of fish. Okay, a total of 10. We'll put the colon here, and number of crabs, 4. And in this case, 10 to 4 can be simplified. So they could both be divided by 2. So we can rewrite it as 5 to 2. And that's the answer. So these two examples are basic ratio problems. Hopefully this is helpful, and thank you for watching.